So now I am going to show you how to quickly set up the Jabra Engage 50 second version. This is just connect and you don't have to download any software at all. It's like plug and play. So here's the USB and I'm connecting it to my Nitro 5 laptop, gaming laptop, and right away you will see the headset light up, right? To make sure that it happens, because if it does not, then there's something wrong with your headset, with your new headset, Jabra. So here, both should light up mint green. Now go to the settings of your laptop or PC or computer and go to sound. I didn't do anything here, I just connected it, and right away, so you will see the speaker shows Jabra Engage 50 and it becomes the default device right away. You don't have to do anything at all. And then if you scroll down, since that's a headset, the microphone should be set up with the Jabra Engage as well. And then you do have options to go to the advanced settings. So if you want to tinker with it, you can go to the advanced settings. Again, just plug and it play. You don't have to download any software at all. And this, I purchased this on Amazon. And here's your Jabra, and again, here it is. I'm gonna show you. I disconnected it. So when you disconnect it, you disconnect it, you will see right away on that system settings, it's gone. So, and then I'm gonna show you. I connect it. So it's USB, okay? So it's USB, and again, first is the headset will light up, and then now it automatically adds the Jabra Engage information in the speaker and microphone. So basically you buy it, you receive it, you just connect it to your laptop, your PC, and I use it for work. So you'll have it for you have the headset for work ready. You don't have to worry about installing it. A couple of quick informations at the back of the box. There will be quick way for you to be able to know right away what the functions of the headset and how to adjust it. That's it.